Hi my dears, welcome to Wisdom Era online classes. Let's move with another one property here. So, learn about the property that related to the sides of the triangle. A man was walking on the road when Anand called him and a deer walked through the field. Instead of the road to reach him faster, we all have taken such shortcuts sometimes in our life. Now, why is it a shortcut look? If a man decided to go by the road starting from a point A, he would have to go to the point B first and then he would take a left to reach the point C and meet Anand. But we know the path through the fields is the shorter one. So, the sum of two sides of a triangle here, we have shown it by a triangle ABC. Then the sides AB plus BC is greater than the side AC. And this is always a true. See here, can a side be greater than the sum of other two sides? Let us understand it with an observation. We take two ropes. One rope, say, rope 2 is longer in the length than the other, say. The rope 1 now, let's make a triangle using the shorter rope, that is rope 1. Now, we fold the shorter rope, that is rope 1, in an angle to make the two sides of a triangle. Look, as we folded the rope, the distance between its two ends has decreased so that the distance is lesser than the real length of the rope now. As the distance between the two ends of the rope, one has decreased, another rope joining the two open ends has to be shorter than the rough one, not longer for a shore. Can we use the rope to make a third one? Let's put the rope to join the two open ends of the rope. 1 and see, well, we cannot use the rope to join the two open ends of the rope 1. As rope 2 is too long, instead the rope has to be much shorter even than the rope 1. So, we see the length of rope 1, which was shorter than the rope 2, is the sum of two sides after making angle using it, and the length of rope joining the two ends of the rope 1 has to be shorter than the rope 1. So, rope 3, which is last side of the triangle, has to be shorter than the rope 1, which we have folded to make two sides of a triangle. What does it mean? Well, it means in any triangle, the sum of two sides is always greater the third side. So remember children, in any triangle, the sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side in triangle ABC here. The longest side is the side AC, but even the side AC is smaller than the sum of the other two sides, that is side B plus side PC. So here see the sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle here. So the AB, BC, CA or the three sides of the triangle here. So AB plus PC is equals to 12, but it is greater than the side of the CA. Now add the sides of BC and CA, that is 5 plus 6, 11 centimeter, which is greater than the third side of the AB. So here similarly, if we add other two sides, it will be the greater than the third side of the BC. Yes, exactly. Either it may be a scalene or isosceles or equilateral triangle, the sum of lengths of the two sides of the triangle is always greater than the length of its third side. Yes, go with some examples here. So, sum of lengths of the two sides of the triangle. Here, I have taken here the triangle ABC with the AB side is 5.5 centimeter. Then measure AC here by the ruler. So, what is the length of AC here? The length of AC is 4.1 centimeter. So, let us measure the another one side of this triangle ABC. The side of BC. So, BC side by using this ruler. So, the side of this is 3.2 centimeter. So, this is a triangle with the different sides. So, we have to find this property. The sum of the lengths of two sides of the triangle is always greater than the other side of the triangle. Now, AB plus BC. The AB is 5.5 plus 3.2. So, what is the sum? That is 8.7 centimeter. The sum is greater than this other side. The sum of AB plus BC is greater than the 4.1 centimeter. Is nothing but here AB plus BC is greater than the AC. So, as the property is satisfied, so what's our property is? The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. As our property is satisfied, so let's go with the other two sides BC plus AC. So BC 3.2 and AC is 4.1 centimeter. Now this is 7.3. Now this is a greater than the 5.5 centimeter. Now it's also, now it is proved by this. Finally, the BC plus AC is greater than the AB. Now it is also satisfied the sum of lengths of two sides of the triangle is greater than the third side. Yes. So, the next is, you can take the another one side here, the now. So add the two sides of now AC plus AB. Now AC is 4.1 and AB is 5.5 centimeter. Now this is 9.6 centimeter. It is greater than the 3.2 centimeter. Finally, we can conclude that AC plus AB is greater than the BC. Yes, our property is finally satisfied. So what we have done in before classes, so that is the sum of lengths of the any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side of this triangle. Yes, this is property. Go with this property by the examples.